Hello, my dear students. Welcome to my physics class. Our today's topic is simple harmonic motion. Let's start now. Quantities related to simple harmonic motion. The displacement of the particle executing simple harmonic motion is x is equal to a sine omega t plus del. Here x is the displacement of the particle executing simple harmonic motion. Here omega is the angular frequency t time and del is constant and known as phase constant. Time period t. The time taken for a complete oscillation by a particle executing simple harmonic motion is called time period t. That is, time taken by the particle for a complete oscillation is known as time period. If we increase t by twice pi by omega in equation 4, in this equation if we increase this time by twice pi divided by omega, then the displacement becomes, here the equation of displacement, so x prime is equal to a sine omega t plus twice pi divided by omega plus del. This is equal to a sine omega t plus twice pi plus del. Here omega t plus, here omega cancel, twice pi plus del. Or this is equal to a sine omega t plus del is equal to x. We know sine twice pi plus theta is equal to sine theta. So sine omega t plus twice pi plus del is equal to sine omega t plus del. This is equal to x. Here x is equal to a sine omega t plus del. So x prime is equal to x. Here x prime is equal to x. Thus we see that after time twice pi divided by omega, the magnitude of displacement becomes same. That is, the quantity repeats after time interval twice pi divided by omega. That is, after twice pi divided by omega time, displacement will be same. Again after twice pi divided by omega time, the displacement will be same. Hence twice pi divided by omega is the time period of the simple harmonic motion. Therefore we can write time period t is equal to twice pi divided by omega, or t is equal to twice pi divided by root over k divided by m, because we know omega square is equal to k by m. So omega is equal to root over k by m. Putting the value of omega here, root over k divided by m. Or you can write t is equal to twice pi root over m by k. And this is the time period of the particle executing simple harmonic motion. Here m is the mass of the particle and k is the force constant and t is the time period. This is the time period of the particle executing simple harmonic motion. Frequency f. The number of vibration of a particle completed in 1 second is called its frequency. That is, frequency means the number of vibration in 1 second. If the particle completed 20 vibration in 1 second, then frequency is 20. If the particle completed 50 vibrations in 1 second, then its frequency is 50 Hertz. So f is equal to 1 divided by t, or f is equal to omega divided by twice pi, because we know t is equal to twice pi divided by omega, so frequency f is equal to omega divided by twice pi, or f is equal to 1 divided by twice pi root over k by m, because we know omega is equal to root over k by m. This is the frequency of the particle executing simple harmonic motion. Velocity v. Displacement of a particle executing simple harmonic motion is x is equal to a sin omega t plus del. This is the solution of differential equation, that is displacement x is equal to a sin omega t plus del. We know velocity v is equal to d dt of x. If we differentiate the displacement with respect to time, we will get velocity v. So velocity v is equal to d dt a sin omega t plus del. Here x means a sin omega t plus del. Or v is equal to, if we differentiate a sin omega t plus del, here omega a, if we differentiate sin, then it will be cos omega a cos omega t plus del. That is a sin, differentiation of a sin omega t plus del with respect to time is omega a cos omega t plus del. A relation between velocity and displacement. Displacement of a particle executing simple harmonic motion is x is equal to a sin omega t plus del, and velocity v is equal to omega a cos omega t plus del. This is the velocity and this is the displacement. Or velocity v is equal to omega a root over 1 minus sin square omega t plus del. Here cos omega t plus del is equal to root over 1 minus sin square omega t plus del, because you know sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. So cos theta is equal to root over 1 minus sin square theta. Or v is equal to omega a root over 1 minus x square divided by a square, because here x is equal to a sin omega t plus del. Therefore sin omega t plus del is equal to x divided by a. So sin square omega t plus del is equal to x square by a square. From equation 4 we can write sin square omega t plus del is equal to x square divided by a square. Or v is equal to omega a root over a square minus x square divided by a square. Here simple calculation, and therefore v is equal to omega root over a square minus x square. This is the velocity of the particle executing simple harmonic motion.